Hey, I'm Beth.
And I'm Greer.
We're from Atlanta, Georgia,
We're also besties.
and we're going on a trip. So we hit up Ever Eve because we needed key pieces.
Yes, and we found them and the stylists were super helpful. Loved it. Woo! First up, the kimono. All right, this is the piece you need when you go on a getaway. During the day, the cute jeans I had on, little tank, it's a little cool. Whoop, put my kimono on. And then at the pool, how cute is this? Bathing suit, pool. So I'm gonna wear this probably every day.
Okay, so obviously
Dancing in the moonlight.
we paired it with this, and guys, I gotta be honest, like these, my legs are my asset.
Yes,
and
they really are.
There's a little slit. Loved it.
And your pop of color, she is officially 5'5", my height when she wears them.
What's it like when I look you in eye to
Oh,
eye?
it's amazing. I fell in love with these right here, these pink slides. This is one of those things where I saw the first time and I thought, get right, no way, I'm not wearing those things. And then she put them on and I changed my mind because they were so cute, and then they ended up in my bag because I love them and I'm gonna
know.
wear them all the time because they go with everything. My
They go
swimsuit,
with
my shorts, my
everything.
dress, all the things. Also, you know how sometimes you wanna say something but you don't wanna say something?
Yeah.
So then you just wear it.
Oh, easy, Tiger.
Right? All right, how about this? Okay, so normally I'm not always a dress girl, right? But I slipped this on. It is so amazingly comfortable. Feel it.
Oh,
And, all right, check out the detail. It has a razor back, and I even paired a little jacket with it. So cute.
yes.
Right? All right, Beth, I think it's fashion show time. Check out how good we look.